Mamelodi Sundowns defender Khulumani Ndamani has made it clear that comfort was never part of his plan when he swapped promise for pressure at Cloakop. The 21-year-old centre-back arrived at Sundowns at the start of the campaign but remained at GS Galaxy on a six-month loan before linking up with the reigning champions during the January transfer window. Since his return, Damani has wasted little time announcing himself, starting all four of his appearances, three in the CAF Champions League and one in the Betway Premiership. For a player stepping into one of the most competitive squad on the continent, the early run of games might seem surprising, but Ndamani insists he understood exactly what he was walking into, and said obviously I didn't expect to arrive here and just to get a game time. But I also didn't come here to relax. I knew there was quality players here and I had to give my all. Everything else will fall into place. At Sundowns, competition is relentless and the reputations count for little without performance. Damani's composure, physical presence, and willingness to learn have quickly earned him trust in high-stakes fixtures, particularly on the continental stage. Central to his smooth integration has been his budding partnership with experienced defender Grant Kekana. The pair have shown encouraging chemistry, blending youthful hunger with seasoned assurance. Damane said Grant is a cool guy. It feels good to play with him. We help each other and I think we communicate very well together. While it is still early days in his Sundowns journey, Damane's mindset suggests he understands the standard required at a club built on sustained excellence. He did not arrive to inherit a place, he came to earn it. And if his first few months are any indication, he is well on his way. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.